Hi there, I'm Jerry, and I was actually just sent this 2-in-1 plastic welder. Now, this is a really neat kit. I've already opened it up to look what's inside. I'm kind of show you what's inside and kind of how it can operate here. We're going to open up the box. In here, you've got everything that you're going to need to make a plastic repair. A lot of times this is used for, like, I don't know, bumpers on your car, or a kayak, or a pair of scissors, fan blade, pretty much anything that's going to be plastic. Most of these tools you find online are just this tool here. And what this piece is here is it actually heats up. It takes about 5 minutes to heat this up to about 800 degrees. And you insert in the end of this these provided various styles of these wires and what these do. And then you turn it on and it heats that up. And you can press that in and it will actually burn this into the plastic crack. And then you will pull this out and it'll leave those little stubs sticking out. You break those off and that will create a seal in the plastic. What I like about this kit is that it doesn't only come with that, but it also comes with a secondary tool, which this one here actually uses these provided bits that are kind of like little irons that heat up to allow you to smooth out plastic surfaces. So you will screw those in, and then using that heats up, it also comes with everything else you're going to possibly need to make any kind of repair to pretty much any plastic that you have. You've got repair plastic pieces for various colors that you can iron in to make a good seal. They've given you some black pieces that you can paint over. You have a lot of different options here. It says from 1/8 diameter, it looks like polycarbonate ones. You have polyethylene ones, nylon, polypropylene. There's just a lot of different styles of colors and different materials that you can use to heat into whatever type of crack that you're trying to fix. This also comes with a mesh piece here that you can use as a backer, some sandpaper for when you're finally done, adhesive metal tape that you can use, and a little tool that goes along with that, and an instruction guide. So literally everything that you would possibly need and more is included in this kit, which is great. What I'll do is I'll go ahead and plug this in and kind of demonstrate on a piece of styrofoam here kind of what this does, just to kind of give you an idea of what happens. So when you click the button on here, it lights up and heats up. You can then use this piece here to adhere into where it needs to for your repair. And it gets it sealed in there like that. Then when that cools off, you break those tabs off. That's created a seal, and then you can go ahead and sand it down, and you're ready to then go ahead and use the filler pieces to then fill and then sand down and complete the repair.